I've been building watches for years. Hundreds of them. So at this point, I can tell you everything that goes into a build. The case, the dial, the hands, bracelet, crystal. I can build them in my sleep. What I didn't expect was what was going to go into building just these 20 watches. People have often asked me, what is the hardest part? And I honestly don't know what to answer because it's everything. The deadlines, the timelines, the second guessing every decision you make. Money, waiting, myself. I was the biggest holdup in the entire process. The self-doubt that comes from putting your name on something and asking people to pay real money for it. The little voice in your shoulder that's yelling in your ear saying, who the do you think you are? I'm a truck driver. Was a truck driver. I taught myself how to build watches. I am full-time caregiver for my 90-year-old mother. I run this channel. And somewhere in all of that, I decided to build a watch company. At times, I think that's the bravest thing I've ever done. And at other times, I think it's the most delusional. This is the Vigil. This is the first Swiss movement watch Noctua has produced. It's running a Sellita SW200-1b. That's an independently manufactured Swiss automatic. Nothing to do with the Swatch Group, regulated to Elaboré standard. The dial is hand-sanded, hand-painted, and hand-lumed. Every single dial is unique. There will never be two exactly alike. There are 20 of these, 5 in each of 4 colors: Midnight, Arctic, Boreal, and Solstice. When they're gone, they're gone. I have no plans for a restock on this first run. Tempus Fugit. Time flies. I put that on this watch because I believe it more and more every year. I'm taking care of my elderly mother right now, but I also have 2 children. One going into high school, one that's becoming a tradesperson. Time flies. I feel that more and more every year. Time moves differently when you're watching someone you love grow older. I started building watches because I wanted to create something that would outlast me. Something that my kids could always look back and be proud about and say, yeah, my dad did that. He did it. He didn't just talk about it. Noctua is that thing. The Vigil is that thing. Now, I don't know if I'll sell all 20. I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn Noctua into the largest Canadian watch company that has ever existed. But I couldn't not try. I couldn't let the Vigil not exist. I refuse to let it not exist. And that means something to me. More than I can say on camera, honestly. If this watch speaks to you, the link's in the description. There's an early bird price for the first 8 watches. There's only going to be 20 of these. 5 of each dial variation. And I have no plans on a restock. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know exactly what I put into my builds. This is that and more. A Swiss automatic movement, a dial handmade by an artisan in Poland, designed by myself, assembled by myself here in Alberta. That's the Vigil. That's Noctua. Tempus Fugit. This is the Vigil. This is the first Swiss blah, blah, blah. This is the Vigil. This is the first Swiss movement wow.